Bayu, sebentar, sebentar. Hanya video, sebentar. Sebentar, saya ke sana. The plants are already planted. We planted in the beginning, but there was not much rain, so some leaf start to get burned by the sun. That's why I put this cover. No, and now they are growing very well. You see now there are already new leaf come out. This is one. I'll show you the other one. So let's say now they are growing well. In the beginning, it was a little bit. I was a little bit concerned because when we moved, I think that the sun was too hot and someone get affected. But you see, some leaves get burned. That's why I make the roof. But now, look like the new one are coming. So I'm quite positive about. Yeah, also this one. See, this is what happened in the beginning. You see, some leaf start to get burned. But now it's okay because you see, this is a new leaf, and here there is a new one coming out. So I think that in the end, they like the situation. They are reacting quite well with this protection. And then in a while, I think when the roots are strong enough, I will take it out. I see this is the same. Yeah, in the beginning, you see the leaf. But this is, for example, this is a new leaf in the middle, and this is already another one coming out. Yeah. Well, here there are climbed now. I cannot show you, but the same thing. You see, they are going well. I think the last week many new leaves come out. So let's say that until now, all of them they are still alive. I see this one. Yeah. Here is another one. So you see new leaves are coming out. This was the problem. Let me see this one. What up? Yeah, so you see, this new leaf are coming out. Okay, so everything okay. Here, agriculture. Bayu, sebentar, sebentar. Hanya video, sebentar. Sebentar, saya ke sana. Leave this tree for the moment. Let me show you. This is another, I don't know how it's growing, but it's not from you. No, this one is very wow. Well, then I show you the rest.